Having trouble getting Delta Force to run in a window or stuck in full screen mode? Learn how to disable full screen and switch to windowed mode for easier multitasking and control. Disabling full screen mode in Delta Force, allowing you to play in a window, is a common preference for many PC gamers, especially those who like to multitask or easily switch between applications. This setting is typically found in the game's display or graphics options. So, from the in-game menu, first go to Settings, then go to the Graphics tab. Under the Display section, there should be an option labeled Display Mode. In the drop-down menu, you can choose between full screen, borderless windowed, and windowed. To disable full screen, select windowed. Then click on Apply. If everything works out, you should see a prompt that asks you to confirm changes. Once you do confirm, you'll have disabled full screen. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon. Bye bye.